What's up, everybody? You know what I'm saying? It's Swag Jesus back here. Just getting done with my run and shit. You know what I'm saying? Went to the gym, all that. Out here enjoying nature. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to everybody fucking with me and Johnny Bravo. Base Camp, Looney House. Lots of material coming soon, you know what I'm saying? Just trying, you know what I'm saying, keep in contact with everybody. Enjoy life while I'm here. Do some positive things. Change somebody's life if I can. And I love y'all.